Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Courtney and this is Court's Corner. If you are new here, I make videos about DIY, home decor, all of those good things. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I am so happy that you guys found my content worthy to subscribe. Today I am showing you guys an update of my countertops. I did them a little over a year ago. I used the Giani Marble Countertop paint. I got a lot of requests on all of my platforms in regards to how these countertops have held up. It's been, again, a little over a year. A lot of people have asked, did I get any yellowing? Did I get any staining or things like that? And surprisingly, I got none of those things. They almost look exactly the same. Only thing I could say that may need to be updated, as you will see in the video, is the caulking. Maybe that may need to be refreshed, but you guys take a look at the video and you tell me if you see anything. But other than that, I think that this is a good quality paint job. Like I really enjoy it. I'm also going to show you guys what my cabinets are looking like a little over a year since I've painted them. I'm very impressed with the quality of the paint and the way they have held up beautifully. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe. If this is something that you may give it a try now that you see that it is durable, just let me know in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.